Okay guys, so if you have been paying for premium tool, okay, just to have access to unlimited image generation, or if you have been moving from this tool to another, okay, every single day, or switching account just to make sure you generate enough image for your stories and every damn thing you use this for. Okay, so ChatGPT actually released their new version, which is the kind of, if you observe right here, you can see this, which is the image 1.5. And this image you are seeing right here, okay, I actually generated this with one powerful prompt. Okay, so this kind of image right here, if the AI tool is not good enough, it can never give you this massive result. So this is actually a good signal. Meanwhile, to confirm if this is actually what the whole hype, okay, I'm gonna be testing ChatGPT 1.5 with these three different prompts right here, okay, just to be sure it is capable of the task. Now, first, I'm gonna be using this first prompt, which is a very simple prompt, okay, to see, this is one of the things that most of these AI tools are good at. When you give it a simple prompt to do, maybe generate an image of a man standing, okay, that is something every image generator out there can actually do. So after that, we are going to be moving to the second prompt, which is the heavy slash complicated prompt. Now this is to give this AI tool closure to be sure if it is also capable of the task. And the last one right here, we are going to be giving it the image with text, okay. Let me say, for example, something like thumbnail, okay, and this text should be on the image right here, right? So we are going to be testing ChatGPT 1.5 with this three prompt to see its ability to deliver quality images just as we need, okay. So before we get started with the process, please, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you have been watching my video and you are not yet a subscriber, please kindly do that. That is the only way you can support me on this channel. Okay, so let's go straight to the video. Alright, so once you open your ChatGPT, you will see this particular menu right here. This is it, images, and it is new. So click on it. And this is the interface you will see. You can see we already have some style right here. So this is, they say try a style on image. You can try this, you can try this, any of this. You're going to be creating fresh image right here with a fresh prompt. Don't forget, we are going to be using this. So I will be starting with the very first prompt, which is the simple prompt. And here I say create a super realistic cinematic image of a young man sitting alone in a modern room. Soft natural light coming from the side. He's looking slightly off camera with a calm but focused expression. Minimal background, clean environments, swallow depth of field, ultra detailed skin texture, natural colors, professional cinematic lighting, realistic photography look. So let's try if this can actually give us exactly what we are expecting. So I'll press my prompt here, then enter. So let's wait for some seconds to see what this version of ChatGPT can actually create. Okay, so this is what we got with a simple prompt right here, and I think this is very much okay, as it actually looks natural. Okay, now let's test the second prompt, which is the heavy slash complicated prompt. So this is a prompt right here. Create a hyper-realistic cinematic image of a young man standing in a dark room, illuminated by a glowing, futuristic, holographic interface floating in front of him, okay. Alright, you can see the whole thing. To avoid taking time in this video, let's copy this, okay. You can actually pause this video to go through the prompt, okay, if you need it, right? So let's try the second prompt. Alright, so this is what we got from the second prompt, which is the complicated prompt, okay, right here. Okay, so without wasting time, let's try the last one, which is the most important right here, okay, image with text. So this is a prompt for the image with text, okay. Create a hyper realistic cinematic image of futuristic digital display floating in a dark room. The display should clearly show the text. ChatGPT 1.5 text. The text must be spelled correctly, sharp, centered, and easy to read. A young man stands in front of the display, partially light by its glow. Dramatic lighting, dark background, cinematic atmosphere, realistic reflections, ultra detailed, high-end selfie look. So let's go there. Okay, alright, this is nice, right? You can see everything is written as spelled. Okay, the ChatGPT 1.5 image test, just everything I gave the AI. So this simply means ChatGPT 1.5 image is actually superb, right? But I will be honest with you, okay, to enjoy this to the fullest, you have to be on the pro version of it. The reason is that you are limited to few generation, meaning you can generate 2 or 3 and you will be asked to wait for some hours, or you upgrade to the pro version of it. So that is a disadvantage right here. Okay, don't forget, in my previous video I actually show you guys this particular AI tool which you can use to create unlimited images, and the image generator is actually reliable. So the link to that video will be in the description of this video, so check it out. And if you also want to learn how to animate images, converting your images to AI stories, I've also made a video like that, so the link will also be in the description. Meanwhile, thank you for watching this video till this very moment, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you'll be notified. So to get all the prompts I use on this video, kindly join my Telegram channel. Okay, the link will be in the description and also in the comment section of this video. Take care. See you in my next video.